Have you ever wondered why some people seem to bounce back faster from illness, injury, or even stress? The secret might be hiding at the microscopic level, inside your cells. Every day, billions of cells in your body face damage from free radicals, inflammation, and environmental stressors. The amazing part? The foods you eat can actively protect these cells, repair damage, and even support your body's natural regeneration processes. In this video, we're diving deep into the science behind foods that heal damaged cells, showing you exactly what to eat and why it matters. By the end, you'll have practical strategies and food choices that can help your body recover, protect itself, and thrive from the inside out. Cells are the fundamental units of life, forming the intricate networks that sustain every function in our bodies. Every day, millions of cells undergo stress, injury, or even death due to a combination of environmental factors, lifestyle choices, and natural aging processes. While the body has remarkable mechanisms to repair and regenerate cells, the foods we consume can either accelerate this repair or hinder it. Understanding how certain foods interact with our cellular processes is not just a matter of nutrition, it is a window into the science of healing from the inside out. Cells are constantly exposed to oxidative stress, a process driven by free radicals, unstable molecules that damage DNA, proteins, and cell membranes. Free radicals are naturally produced through metabolism, but they can also increase due to pollution, smoking, poor diet, and chronic stress. When left unchecked, oxidative stress leads to cellular dysfunction, premature aging, and even chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Consuming foods rich in antioxidants is one of the most effective ways to combat this damage. Antioxidants are compounds that neutralize free radicals, preventing them from harming cellular structures. Berries, citrus fruits, nuts, seeds, and leafy greens are packed with antioxidants such as vitamin C, vitamin E, and polyphenols. Regular consumption of these foods helps protect the integrity of DNA and cellular membranes, creating an environment where cells can function optimally and repair themselves more efficiently. Alongside antioxidants, anti-inflammatory foods play a critical role in supporting cell health. Chronic inflammation disrupts normal cellular repair and accelerates tissue damage. Certain foods naturally contain anti-inflammatory compounds that calm this response. For instance, turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful compound that suppresses inflammatory pathways in the body. Fatty fish like salmon and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation at the cellular level. Olive oil, nuts, and a wide range of colorful vegetables contribute additional anti-inflammatory benefits, creating a protective environment for cells to regenerate. Omega-3 fatty acids in particular are crucial because they are integral components of cell membranes. A flexible and resilient membrane allows cells to communicate effectively, transport nutrients efficiently, and respond to signals that trigger repair processes. Diets deficient in omega-3s can compromise membrane integrity, making cells more vulnerable to damage and reducing their ability to recover from stress. In addition to structural support, certain phytonutrients in plant-based foods actively influence cellular pathways that regulate repair and longevity. Compounds like EGCG in green tea, sulforaphane in broccoli sprouts, and anthocyanins in berries interact with genes that control detoxification, autophagy, and DNA maintenance. Autophagy is a natural process where cells remove damaged components and recycle them, a critical step in maintaining healthy cellular function. By stimulating these pathways, phytonutrients help cells clean up damage and regenerate more effectively, supporting overall resilience at a microscopic level. Emerging research also suggests that diet can influence stem cell function, which is central to the body's ability to replace damaged or dead cells. Plant-rich diets, particularly those resembling Mediterranean patterns, appear to enhance stem cell activity. Foods such as berries, leafy greens, turmeric, pomegranate, and certain mushrooms provide nutrients that may support this regenerative capacity. While still under investigation, these findings point to a powerful connection between everyday dietary choices and the body's innate repair mechanisms. Even amino acids derived from foods like bone broth contribute to the cellular repair process by providing the building blocks for new proteins essential for maintaining tissues and supporting enzymatic functions. While nutrition is only one component of cellular health, it is an influential one. A diet rich in whole, minimally processed foods offers a broad spectrum of compounds that collectively reduce oxidative stress, calm inflammation, enhance membrane integrity, stimulate repair pathways, and support regeneration. This multifaceted approach to cellular nutrition contrasts sharply with diets high in processed sugars, refined grains, and unhealthy fats, which promote oxidative stress, inflammation, and cellular dysfunction. Daily choices add up. Incorporating antioxidant-rich fruits and vegetables, healthy fats, anti-inflammatory spices, and phytonutrient-dense foods into your meals is a proactive way to help your cells recover and function optimally. These foods don't act like magic bullets. Instead, they create conditions where the body's natural repair systems can operate at their best. Over time, consistent attention to nutrition not only protects cells from damage, but may also slow age-related decline, improve energy levels, and support resilience against chronic diseases. Understanding the cellular impact of food reframes nutrition from a superficial concept of calories and weight management to a profound tool for maintaining vitality and longevity. It reveals that each meal is more than fuel. It is an opportunity to influence cellular health and overall well-being. In practical terms, this means prioritizing colorful fruits and vegetables, integrating fatty fish and nuts, embracing anti-inflammatory spices, and drinking beverages rich in polyphenols like green tea. These choices support both immediate cellular repair and long-term health outcomes. At the same time, it is crucial to avoid habits that sabotage cellular function. Excessive alcohol, sugar, processed foods, and prolonged stress generate free radicals, disrupt membranes, and trigger inflammation, counteracting the benefits of nutrient-rich foods. Lifestyle factors like adequate sleep, regular physical activity, and stress management complement dietary strategies, creating a holistic approach to cellular protection and repair. The science behind foods that heal damaged cells underscores a simple but profound principle. What you eat directly influences your body's ability to maintain, protect, and regenerate itself. By choosing foods that support antioxidant defense, anti-inflammatory balance, membrane integrity, and repair pathways, you provide your cells with the resources they need to thrive. Over time, these choices accumulate, contributing to better health, enhanced energy, and resilience against disease. In essence, understanding and applying this knowledge empowers you to take control of your cellular destiny, using food as a tool for repair, protection, and long-term vitality. Every bite carries the potential to heal, strengthen, and nourish your cells, making nutrition a cornerstone of true wellness. While understanding the science behind cellular repair is crucial, knowing which foods actively support this process is where theory becomes practice. Certain foods contain unique compounds that go beyond basic nutrition, influencing cellular pathways, reducing oxidative stress, and enhancing the body's ability to repair damaged tissues. Among the most potent are berries. Blueberries, strawberries, blackberries, and raspberries are rich in anthocyanins and flavonoids, compounds that act as antioxidants and anti-inflammatory agents. By neutralizing free radicals, these compounds prevent further DNA and cellular membrane damage while simultaneously promoting repair. Regular consumption of berries has been linked to improved cognitive function, cardiovascular health, and even protection against age-related cellular decline. Citrus fruits also play a pivotal role in cellular health due to their high vitamin C content. Vitamin C is essential for collagen synthesis, which is critical for the structural integrity of tissues. Collagen acts as a scaffold for cells, ensuring that tissues maintain their strength and elasticity. Additionally, vitamin C supports the immune system, enabling it to respond efficiently to cellular stress and injury. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard provide a rich source of folate, vitamin K, and polyphenols, which collectively support DNA repair mechanisms. Folate is particularly important because it contributes to the synthesis and methylation of DNA, a process that regulates gene expression and facilitates the repair of damaged sequences. Polyphenols in leafy greens also reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, further creating a favorable environment for cell regeneration. Cruciferous vegetables, including broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, and cabbage, are another key group. These vegetables contain sulforaphane, a compound that activates the body's detoxification enzymes and promotes cellular repair pathways. Research suggests that sulforaphane may help prevent damage caused by toxins and oxidative stress while stimulating autophagy, the natural process by which cells remove damaged components. Fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, sardines, and trout are indispensable for cellular repair due to their high content of omega-3 fatty acids. These fats are integral to maintaining the fluidity and resilience of cell membranes. Flexible membranes are better able to communicate with other cells, absorb nutrients, and expel waste, all of which are essential for effective cellular repair. Omega-3s also have strong anti-inflammatory effects, helping to calm chronic inflammation that can hinder tissue regeneration. Nuts and seeds are nutrient-dense powerhouses that support cellular health in multiple ways. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds provide vitamin E, healthy fats, and a variety of phytochemicals. Vitamin E is a potent antioxidant that protects cell membranes from oxidative damage, while the fatty acids help maintain membrane integrity. Additionally, the polyphenols in nuts and seeds contribute to reducing inflammation and supporting repair processes. Herbs and spices are often overlooked in their ability to influence cell health, yet compounds like curcumin in turmeric, gingerol in ginger, and allicin in garlic provide substantial benefits. Curcumin regulates inflammatory pathways and enhances antioxidant defenses, while gingerol exhibits both anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that stimulate the production of glutathione, one of the body's most important endogenous antioxidants. Green tea, particularly its active compound EGCG, plays a unique role in cellular repair. EGCG not only neutralizes free radicals but also influences signaling pathways that control autophagy, detoxification, and DNA repair. Regular consumption of green tea has been associated with improved cardiovascular function, better metabolic regulation, and protection against age-related cellular decline. Beyond individual foods, combining them in nutrient-dense, balanced meals amplifies their effects. For example, pairing fatty fish with leafy greens and a drizzle of olive oil provides a synergistic mix of omega-3s, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds, supporting cellular repair from multiple angles. Hydration is also critical for maintaining cell function. Water facilitates nutrient transport, waste removal, and enzymatic reactions within cells. Even mild dehydration can impair cellular repair, making adequate fluid intake a fundamental aspect of maintaining cellular health. Practical daily strategies can enhance the benefits of these foods. Starting the day with a smoothie containing berries, spinach, and a spoon of flax seeds ensures a concentrated dose of antioxidants, polyphenols, and omega-3s. Lunch can include a salad with leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables, nuts, and a serving of salmon or sardines. Dinner might combine roasted vegetables with a whole grain and turmeric-spiced legumes. Snacks such as citrus fruit, green tea, or a handful of almonds provide additional support between meals. While diet forms the foundation of cellular health, it works best in conjunction with other lifestyle habits. Regular physical activity improves circulation, delivering nutrients to cells more efficiently and stimulating cellular repair processes. Exercise also reduces chronic inflammation and oxidative stress. Adequate sleep allows the body to prioritize repair mechanisms, including DNA repair, hormone regulation, and protein synthesis. Stress management is equally important, as chronic stress elevates cortisol, which can damage cellular structures and impair regenerative capacity. Avoiding substances that harm cells is as important as consuming those that support them. Excessive sugar, refined carbohydrates, trans fats, and alcohol contribute to oxidative stress and inflammation, undermining the positive effects of nutrient-rich foods. A conscious approach to minimizing these harmful inputs maximizes the efficiency of cellular repair mechanisms. Over time, consistently integrating these foods and habits into daily life accumulates tangible benefits. Cells maintain their structural integrity, function more efficiently, and are better equipped to respond to environmental stressors. This translates into improved energy levels, enhanced cognitive function, stronger immunity, and reduced risk of chronic disease. The science behind these effects is continually evolving, but the evidence consistently supports the concept that diet profoundly influences cellular repair and longevity. By choosing foods that actively support cellular pathways, reduce oxidative stress, and enhance regeneration, individuals can take control of their health at the most fundamental level. Each meal becomes a tool for healing, each bite a potential contributor to vitality and resilience. In essence, understanding which foods promote cellular repair empowers people to actively shape their well-being, creating a lifestyle that not only nourishes the body, but also supports its capacity to heal itself. Over time, these choices contribute to a body that is stronger, more resilient, and better able to maintain optimal function throughout life. Through mindful eating, hydration, movement, sleep, and stress management, the body is equipped with everything it needs to repair, regenerate, and thrive. Every action, every food choice becomes an investment in cellular health, providing a foundation for longevity and overall vitality. By prioritizing these strategies, it is possible to harness the body's natural capacity for repair, ensuring that cells remain healthy and functional, and that the body continues to operate at its highest potential. Building on the science and specific foods that support cellular repair, it is essential to understand how to integrate these principles into daily routines to maximize their benefits. While knowledge of antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, omega-3 fatty acids, and phytonutrients provides a strong foundation, consistent application in practical, everyday life is what drives meaningful results. One of the most effective strategies is to design meals that combine multiple cellular supportive foods. For instance, a breakfast smoothie made with blueberries, spinach, chia seeds, and a small amount of Greek yogurt delivers antioxidants, polyphenols, fiber, and protein in one nutrient-dense serving. Adding a teaspoon of turmeric or a dash of cinnamon can enhance anti-inflammatory effects and support blood sugar balance. Lunch can be structured around a vibrant salad, incorporating cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli or cauliflower, mixed leafy greens, avocado, and a serving of fatty fish like salmon or sardines. Topping the salad with walnuts or pumpkin seeds adds vitamin E and omega-3 fatty acids, further supporting membrane integrity and cellular resilience. A drizzle of extra virgin olive oil and lemon juice not only enhances flavor, but provides monounsaturated fats and additional antioxidants that support cellular repair pathways. Dinner should emphasize variety, incorporating colorful vegetables, legumes, and lean proteins. Roasted vegetables such as Brussels sprouts, carrots, and beets provide antioxidants and compounds that promote autophagy, the process by which cells remove damaged components and recycle them. Pairing these vegetables with lentils or bean supplies amino acids critical for tissue repair, while a moderate serving of whole grains ensures sustained energy and fiber for gut health, which is closely linked to systemic inflammation and overall cellular function. Snacks play a crucial role in maintaining a consistent supply of nutrients that support cell repair throughout the day. Options like citrus fruits, a handful of almonds, green tea, or dark chocolate in moderation provide antioxidants and polyphenols that continue to protect cells between meals. Timing and consistency of these meals also matter. Eating at regular intervals helps regulate blood sugar, reduce oxidative stress, and maintain stable energy levels, which indirectly supports cellular health. Hydration cannot be overlooked. Water is essential for nutrient transport, metabolic reactions, and waste removal at the cellular level. Proper hydration ensures that cells receive the compounds they need for repair and that toxins are efficiently eliminated from the system. Beyond diet, lifestyle practices are equally important for enhancing cellular repair. Regular physical activity improves circulation, ensuring that nutrients and oxygen reach every cell efficiently. Exercise also stimulates cellular repair mechanisms and reduces chronic inflammation, creating an optimal environment for cells to regenerate. Adequate sleep is another critical factor. During deep sleep, the body prioritizes DNA repair, protein synthesis, and hormone regulation. Lack of sleep disrupts these processes, increasing oxidative stress and compromising the body's ability to maintain cellular integrity. Stress management complements diet and lifestyle choices. Chronic stress elevates cortisol, which can damage DNA, accelerate cellular aging, and impair the regenerative functions of tissues. Practices such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, yoga, or even short periods of mindfulness can significantly reduce stress levels, supporting optimal cellular function. Avoiding harmful habits is as important as incorporating beneficial ones. Excessive consumption of refined sugars, processed foods, trans fats, and alcohol generates free radicals and triggers inflammation, undermining the positive effects of nutrient-rich foods. Moderation and mindfulness in consumption are essential, as even nutrient-dense foods cannot fully compensate for continual exposure to damaging agents. Integrating foods that support stem cell function is another powerful way to enhance cellular repair. Emerging evidence suggests that plant-rich diets, particularly those high in polyphenols, can influence stem cell activity, supporting the replacement of damaged or lost cells. Foods such as berries, pomegranate, leafy greens, turmeric, and mushrooms provide compounds that may stimulate these regenerative processes. Amino acids from protein-rich foods like legumes, fish, and bone broth further supply the building blocks necessary for tissue regeneration and enzyme production, supporting overall cellular health. Creating a routine that combines nutrient-dense meals, consistent hydration, regular physical activity, adequate sleep, stress management, and avoidance of harmful substances establishes a comprehensive framework for cellular repair. This integrated approach allows the body to operate at its highest potential, enhancing resilience, energy, and long-term health outcomes. Mindful eating is another practical tool. By focusing on the quality, variety, and nutrient density of foods, individuals can optimize the repair and regeneration of cells. Prioritizing colorful, whole foods, minimizing processed options, and including a balance of macronutrients ensures that cells receive the full spectrum of compounds necessary for optimal function. Over time, these consistent choices accumulate, promoting not just immediate cellular repair, but also long-term health benefits. Improved energy levels, cognitive function, immunity, and reduced risk of chronic disease are tangible outcomes of a lifestyle designed to support cellular health. It is important to recognize that while no single food or supplement can reverse cellular damage entirely, the combined effects of a nutrient-rich diet, healthy lifestyle habits, and stress management create an environment in which the body's natural repair mechanisms can thrive. Each meal, each glass of water, each movement, and each period of rest becomes an investment in cellular vitality. Understanding and applying this knowledge empowers individuals to actively shape their well-being at the most fundamental level. The choices made every day directly influence the ability of cells to repair, regenerate, and maintain optimal function. By harnessing the science of nutrition and lifestyle, it is possible to enhance the body's innate capacity for healing, supporting longevity, resilience, and overall health. This chapter has outlined practical strategies to maximize cellular repair through diet and lifestyle. By consistently implementing these approaches, individuals can create a sustainable system of support for their cells, ensuring that the body remains strong, resilient, and capable of functioning at its best throughout life. With awareness, intention, and commitment to these principles, every action taken can contribute to healthier, more vibrant cells, and ultimately, a healthier, more resilient body. Consistency is the key. Small, daily choices compound over time, building a foundation for long-term cellular health and vitality. Your body has an incredible ability to heal itself, but it needs the right support. By choosing foods rich in antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, omega-3s, and phytonutrients, you give your cells the tools they need to repair and regenerate. Pair these choices with proper hydration, regular movement, quality sleep, and stress management, and you're creating the ultimate environment for cellular health. Remember, every bite counts, and small, consistent changes can lead to significant long-term benefits. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss tips that help your body heal from the inside out. Your cells and your future self will thank you.